All right, back. Another unboxing here. This is going to be the Milwaukee 2-gallon Gen 2 wet dry vac. Not going to give a product review or demonstration or anything like that. Just want to open this thing up and give a look at what's inside. Now, a little bit about this. Did come with the HEPA filter. So the machine or the unit alone sells tool only a lot of times, without battery or anything like that. But sometimes on Home Depot's website you can find it on special with the battery, or a lot of times with the filter. So filter actually shipped separately, which was a little strange. So I actually got this a day before I got the vac. So. But let's see here. How much did I pay for this? So this was, because I'm always looking at deals and trying to get deals and whatnot. So I think this was on the Home Depot's website. So for Black Friday, I saw it for around $89. It might have been tool only or with the filter. I was waiting for it to go back down. The other day I saw it go back down. Or actually, I paid full price for it. It was $119 with the filter. I think tool only was $115 or something like that, or it might have been $119 also. So, so I paid the $119. Then about a day afterwards, I went on the website and saw that it was $99. So I called and I got that price adjusted. So within 30 days, they can price adjust it for you, and so I got $19 back on my card. So it's just something to be mindful of, because that's the second time I've done that. I've been able to call in and get that price adjustment. Even if it's a couple dollars, hey, it makes it cheaper, so why not? But yeah, I really don't see these going on sale that much. Bought this really for the car, to clean out the car and the wood floors in the house. Want to use the hose to get in the corners. That way I don't have to use my normal vacuum as much. So that's what I plan on using it for. But yeah, it is wet dry. This is does take the M18 battery. So let me open this up. I'm just gonna keep recording. Just set the camera down for a second. Oh, and that's the tool number, or that's the part number. So, all right. Let's see what we got. Got my old band slippers on. The LL Bean Mocs, keeping the feet warm today. All right. Manual. Now I don't know if I don't think they ever sell this thing with the charger. I might be wrong, but again, this is a first look. That's what it looks like in the plastic. So there is the tool. On-off switch up top. This is what it opens up to. This is the 6-foot hose. Now with these, if you don't have a blower, I forget the CFMs, but I know that you can remove this hose and put it right there, and it does become a little blower. So one of 2 attachments. I actually have not heard very good things about this attachment, so there is the second attachment. So let's see here. How was this in there? So let's see. Oh, it actually has a, it comes with a filter, so I actually did not know that. I thought that the whole reason why the units on Home Depot's website came with that was because it did not have one of these filters already with it. So comes with the filter there, and here is the basin. Wow. Okay, this is very light. It feels very thin, a lot thinner than I thought it was gonna feel. But yeah, we will have to give it a shot. Like I said, this thing it's only 2 gallons. It's not meant for anything crazy, any hardcore cleanups or anything like that. So, and then extra filter if you need one. So that is all for the Milwaukee 2-gallon wet dry vac.